Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have a reading tutorial, and this is already part 2. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell button so that you will get notified for my next video upload. Let us start. B, a, m, b, am, bam, k, a, m, am, cam, j, a, m, j, am, jam, ha, a, m, am, ham, r, a, m, r, am, ram, s, a, m, s, am, sam, y, a, m, y, am, yam, b, a, n, b, an, ban, k, a, n, k, an, can, f, a, n, f, an, fan, m, a, n, m, an, man, a, n, p, an, pan, r, a, n, r, an, ran, t, a, n, t, an, tan, v, a, n, v, an, van. Okay, let's read together. Bam, cam, jam, ham, ram, sam, yum. Ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. Okay, your turn to read. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. There you can get videos and printable reading materials. Thank you and God bless.